Hello my beauty queens, come with me, let me show you how you can achieve this beautiful gele by yourself without stress. So this is me arranging my plating. I just make 4 plating. You can make 3. If you don't want to make plating, you can still place it on your head like that. So I place it on my head after making the plating, and I cross it at the back, use it to cover my head, adjust the plating very well. So the longer part, I just twist it round, then I place it on the plating which I've already arranged. Then I use my pin to hold it down. But before using my pin to hold it, I have to spread it very well. Because I twisted it, I have to open it and pin it down. So if you keep practicing it, when I mean practice, just try and learn it. You become a pro in it. Because if you don't try it, you will not be able to achieve it. Every time you'll be carrying your gele or your asoke looking for who will style it for you, people will get tired of it. So it's better at least you learn, try and learn, so I'll be able to achieve this head wrap by yourself. So after I pin it, I just make some rough plating and I tuck it in at the back. I didn't use pin to hold it, I just tuck it in at the back. Then I come back to the other part and I arrange it with the rough plating like that. It's not like very, just rough plating like that. Then I adjust it and I pin it down like that. I didn't pin up part, I have to open some part of it just like that to create a beautiful style that you can achieve. When I say the style is easy, it's very easy. Just keep practicing. Yes, I will say it, practice. They say practice make perfect. When you keep learning something, you become a pro in it. So this is it. So this other part, I don't have use for it. So what I just did, I just drag it and twist it, and I use my pin to hold it down at the back because I don't need it. So I just pin it down and it's ready. Your gele is ready. Done. Your gele is ready. So you can go with it to any occasion you wish to. So look at it. After I just pin it, I just come back to the front, arrange this rough plating like this, and we are good. It's just it. Very simple and easy to achieve. If you watch the tutorial to the end, you'll be able to achieve it. And if you find this video useful, share it to your friends so that they can be able to do their own as well, with us looking for who will style a gele for them, carrying a gele up and down or asoke up and down, looking for who will do it for you. So if you don't want to do this style, there is another simple way. So I just open it, remove the pin that I used to hold it before, I fold the excess inside, then I use my pin to hold it down. So any of the style that you think is easy for you to achieve, you can do it. Very simple and quick. So give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like. If you find it useful, share it to your friends. Bye bye guys. See you in my next video.